So this video shows you how I distributed the different channels all over this locomotive here, the 99211, and we have 7 channels in action, and this short video shows you how they are organized. Let's start with the speed control, so the amount of steam which goes to the 2 cylinders. It's on the first channel here, going up and down. I just show you. Up and down to 0. In this direction is a second channel which activates the steam pump. Then we have the third channel which going up means going forward. It changes this mechanical arm here, the position in the gear. The fourth channel here, going right or left, activates the steam whistle. I go right now. So the fifth channel activates the bell, the steam bell. Switch going up. Can look inside. It is a 360 degrees running servo. One can change also the direction, but this gives no sound, and the 0 position stops it. You see the receiver inside and the accu. And there's another channel, this number 6, which activates the brake. I put it here on this button to have a free adjustable strength of the brakes. And I hope you can see it, how the brakes are acting. You see? So I flipped the tender on the side to show you how these brakes are acting. This is a servo, and it pulls 4 brakes to the wheels. And this channel number 7, which is a switch, will switch on LEDs. So I will connect an LED spot here to illuminate the whole back area to have the possibility to run also the locomotive at night, and to see also the water level and also all the valves and the door for coal firing. So this is the last channel, number 7, and so I have still one left, number 8. Thank you for your attention.